Welcome to another video that we showcase how to separate US, Asia and European sessions on their respective market profiles on TradingView. The reason why we want to split each session is to monitor the strength or weakness of the overnight and where it took place instead of just looking at the overnight profile as a whole. This helps us get a deeper look of the overnight activity and look for nuances and potential areas of interest. So first thing first, we go to the bottom right here. We have selected New York right here. Then we go to indicators, then we type in session. After that, we select session time price opportunity right here. The reason we want this indicator and not the normal TPO is because it allows it to have custom-made time zones right here, as you can see. This is for the US session time zone, as you can see 9:30 and 16 right here. Then we select New York as well right here. We disable the volume and that's it in terms of the time zone. Then because this is ES, we like to have it at least to the manual row size manual, ticks per row set to 3 or 2, it's between that. For example, if you had any Q right here, you will want this to be a higher number, okay? Now we have the US session, as you can see here. It starts at 9:30 and then ends at 16 right here, okay? Now what you want to do is go to the top left, click copy right here, right click and paste this 2 times again. Now you have 3 separate indicators of the same thing, okay? Instead of just going through each one again. Then you select the one that you want, for example, to be the Asia, okay? And then you go right here and you go to 18 and 3. This is the time zone that we set the Asia, okay? Same thing right here, completely same. Then right here you might want to change the colors. For example, let's go with purple in this case right here. So we separate its color. Then we go to the European session. Same thing. We simply change the color, for example, to blue right here. We go to inputs and we set the time to 3. And the US Open. Okay, same thing right here. And now you can see you have the sessions split between them, okay? Let's change the color for the US session as well. You can go to the style and change this, for example, to red. And now you have all your profiles with different colors and you can start to see the market per session instead of one thing, okay? So now you see the US session right here. Always the US session is much more important because more trading volume occurred within this session, okay? So we give heavy emphasis, for example, on the POCs right here. You can click extend the naked point of controls right here. So we give higher emphasis on this POCs right here. As you can see, this session bounced off of this naked point of control yesterday, for example, okay? So always pay more attention to the US session when it comes to market profiles. And if you want to remove the bar charts, we simply go to the top right here, you select hide right here and boom, okay? So now you have only your profiles and you can start dragging some pivots right here. For example, this area right here, nice range bound activity, and you can see how the profile have these gaps and caves that we usually like to fill in, and you get a better understanding of market activity between the overnight instead of having this thing all at once, okay? So that's how you separate each session. And here we have a picture of each session and its time zone in case you want to take a screenshot of this to know exactly what time zone we're using per session. So if you want access to that ultimate TradingView suite that we built exclusively for futures traders, be sure to check the link below. We have custom-made session profiles, we have our favorable momentum indicators from this chart right here, we have all the custom settings set on the market profiles, we have the higher time frame volume profiles and our custom-made indicators right here. Thanks for watching.